Hi, in this section, we're going to create a collection slider, which we're going to add a section in our Shopify theme. We're going to be able to add a section right here, and it's called collection slider right here. So the collection slider allows you to customize the slider right here. And then whenever you hover, it's going to enlarge the picture. Actually, it's going to enlarge the last picture or image of your product. And whenever you hover, you should able to pause the slides. There's also customization here. You can take off the background color and also auto play slides. And you should able to change the collection as well. To start with our customizable sleek carousel, we have to go to our admin Shopify store, themes, action, and then edit code. So we go in our Shopify admin, we're gonna go to online store, themes, and working hello is my published theme, so I don't want to touch that. So you can also duplicate the code that you have currently, or for me, I'm just gonna have a new debut theme and then edit the code, actions, and then edit code. Now we're gonna go to our section folder and create a new section. We're gonna name it custom carousel. So I'm just gonna copy this one. And then in our section folder, we're going to create or add a new section, and we're going to name it custom carousel. So create a section, and we're going to copy this code all the way to end schema. Control C, and then highlight this one. We're going to delete it, and then Control V here. And click save. Now we're just gonna go customize our theme. So we're gonna customize our theme right here. And I'm just gonna delete this sections right here so we can see only the section that we just created. So I'm going to add a section, and I'm looking for collection slider. And this one doesn't have any collection in there yet, so it's blank. So we're going to add a new collection. So select collection, and for me, I'm going to do featured collection and then select. So I'm going to click save so it would reload. 4 products is fine. And you could also choose background color none and click save to see. Yes, it removes the background color, but our text is white, so I'm going to change our text. I have a text color of red, which is not so fancy. So you can also have background colors. Just unclick the background color none right here. You can have a linear gradient color background. You can choose whatever the first color is and then the end color is. So for me, I'm gonna choose probably maybe green and then light green right here and see what it looks like. And that's good. And then I'm gonna change my text to a different color. I'll go for white maybe. Okay, that's good. And then the navigation color, which is our buttons, I'm going to change it to different color, maybe green here. And you could also unclick autoplay slides. And it would not play, but the button will or navigate for you. Let's say the autoplay slides. Most people discourage carousel because it's small, but I added a zoom in, and then you could always pause the slide whenever you hover. So let's say 1 second right here. and it doesn't slide whenever you hover on the item. If you change it to mobile, it should only have one. And if we change it to different screens, it should be responsive. And that's it. Let me know if you have any comments or questions. Thank you so much for watching.